Your flying auto Lia is back in New York. Here in Astoria, there is a place to go if you need help or want to help. Astoria Food Pantry was built from scratch during the pandemic. It now handles food distributions, a free store, clothing donations, and a weekly bread rescue.
Do not lift anything that might hurt you.
I'm here at Astoria Food Pantry. I would like to introduce to you Tim, who is a community leader here in the neighborhood in Astoria. So Tim, can you tell me about this organization, please?
The Astoria Food Pantry, it's a totally volunteer-driven organization. It is like a 501(c), so it is a non-profit, and we do, raise a lot of money to run it, but it's really entirely operated just on the hard work of volunteers. I mean, like myself, people who work harder than me, honestly. I don't work nearly as hard as a lot of people who made this happen. And it started in 2020. It came out of the pandemic. It came out of the George Floyd protests. It was really that time when people were learning that we need to help one another and that we can't always count on the government or anything else really, to help ourselves. So we have to find a way to build a community and to build the resources so that we can help one another when we have the time and we can get the help when we need it. And they've been doing it ever since for 6 years, and it's turned into something really, really beautiful. We have a storefront, and there's programs every day, all kinds of different stuff. There's education programs, there's food, there's, baby supplies, there's clothing, there's books, there's art supplies. On different days, there's so many different programs. So there's a million ways you get plugged in, and a million ways you get help if you need it.
Tim, that is such a nice word, and hearing from a leader and hearing from a New Yorker, hearing from who lives in Astoria. I love New York, and I started here and I always would go back here as an immigrant from the Philippines. And then while I was doing this volunteer work, packing the breads from the donors, it makes me cry actually, because this is such an honorable and humble work that you do, you lead. And me as a volunteer here in New York City, we know that this is this is a great example for New Yorkers like you and like me. We would love to inspire, and this is what we need in this time, right? In this world we live in now. I certainly appreciate your leadership, and I certainly appreciate your inspiration, and I wish you good luck and more power. And I would hope to see you again when I have time and when I visit New York, and I would grab my friends to help you with your mission, and I hope that we collaborate one day.
Absolutely, yeah, thanks. Absolutely.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
So can you tell me about what you do, what have you done, and what are your plans to continue doing this?
So we've been operating the Astoria Food Pantry since early in 2000. It started out of the back of a friend's car, and then we were doing it out of there was a state assembly campaign in Astoria that they couldn't use the office because, it was lockdown and COVID and everything. So that became the first Astoria Food Pantry.
Yeah.
And then we upgraded and moved to this space in 2021. The truck behind us is our community box truck that we use to all the bread that we pack today. We sourced from a couple different places. It was all going to be garbage, But yeah, we've been working this. I've lived in Astoria almost 20 years. And it's just a beautiful piece of neighborhood community infrastructure to fill in the gaps where the state and, private is not fulfilling the need of the neighborhood. And, when we started, we're a nonprofit now, but when we started, we were just a citizens group for the first 3 years, just because we wanted to grow at a responsible rate. And, we went from, a budget of a couple $100s a week to thousands and thousands of dollars a week. So yeah, the whole goal is just to have this here. When people, 10 years from now, if someone, God forbid, is in an emergency or house fire, that they know where to go to get what they need here at the food pantry.
Amazing.